Hiya. Just having a minute, it's rather warm. I've just done this morning. It's an acrylic. Mostly I like to do watercolours. I don't know if you do, but now what I'm just doing is just introducing myself and telling you, like, if you're interested. I have been painting for a long time. As I'm 85, I actually sold one when I was painting when I was about around 11 when I've sold my first. I've been painting 11 of 85. I'm shortly coming up to 86. Well, you know, it's a long time, 70 odd years is it I've been painting. I have been doing this in my workplace as well. I've done a lot of grain and sign writing, etc. I was an indenture painter and decorator, and I went to an art school for 5 years. I was sitting in Guilds of London. I don't think they still do that, but well, what's that matter? It's nothing, is it? Time nobody. If you'd like to join me, and I can help you anyway. I mean, in acrylics or watercolour, which is rather a favourite. I think it's my favourite. But it's up to you if you fancy joining me on this Patreon. Not obliged. And I can help you, I will, as much as I can. But I'm no prima donna. Never thought myself the best in the world, so it's up to you whether you want to join me or not and have a bit of fun. I do hope you'd post some of your paintings. It doesn't matter how good or bad they are, that doesn't come into it. Just enjoy posting and painting as a hobby, so that you're not good crackers in your old age. Okay, well, there you are. Come in any time. Nice to see you if you do. That's it then. I'll see you for now. Be dropping a few in now and again, paintings and so on. I post regular, and that's about it. Okay, thanks a lot for looking in. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.